Within 4 years, humans would struggle to survive.
Not because of war. Not because of disease. But because something smaller than your fingernail stopped buzzing.
Imagine waking up tomorrow and walking into a supermarket. Imagine waking up tomorrow and walking into a supermarket. Oh, but the shelves are empty.
Food prices are exploding. And the reason? Honeybees are gone. These tiny flying insects that most people ignore, that some people fear, were silently doing the most important job on Earth.
Today, honeybees are dying at an alarming rate. And most of us don't even notice.
This is not just a story about insects. This is a story about survival of honeybee, and this is a story about balance. This is a story about us. Honeybees are not just insects. They are engineers, farmers, and architects of nature. Inside a single hive, there can be up to 60,000 bees. Each one has a role. No confusion, no ego, no laziness. The queen does not rule. Each one has a role. No confusion, no ego, no laziness. The queen does not rule. She serves by laying eggs. The workers don't complain. They protect, clean, feed, and build.
Their honeycomb structure is so perfect that even modern engineers study it.
To understand maximum strength with minimum material. All of this.
From a brain smaller than a grain of rice.
Here's something most people don't know. One honeybee produces only 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey. Bees travel the equivalent of 3 times around the Earth.
Without honeybees, 1 out of every 3 bites of food you eat would not exist.
And yet, we swat them away. We poison them. We destroy their homes. Not because they are dangerous, but because we don't understand their value. Bees don't just make honey. They make life possible.
Every time a bee moves from flower to flower, it carries pollen, allowing plants to reproduce.
No bees, no plants, no plants, no animals, no animals, no humans.
This is not an opinion. This is science. Honeybees are responsible for billions of dollars in global agriculture every year. And they do it for free.
Now here is the scary part. Honeybees are dying. Pesticides.
Entire colonies are collapsing overnight, a phenomenon known as colony collapse disorder.
This doesn't affect me. But bees don't care about fear or dislike. They care about balance.
Bumblebees pollinate the food you eat, buzzing amongst vibrant blossoms, their striped bodies collecting nectar and pollen.
Hispanic female conservationists support the wild animals you rely on. They maintain ecosystems you've never seen.
That should do it.
It's beautiful. Think of the shade it will provide. Bees have existed for over 100 million years. Humans?
About 300,000.
Dinosaurs went extinct. Bees survived ice ages. Bees remained.
Because of nature, but because of us.
Sometimes the most advanced species is not the most intelligent one. Here's the good news. Bees can still be saved. Planting flowers.
Protecting green spaces. Small actions create massive impact. Just like bees.
It does not ask if its work matters to us. It simply does what it was created to do. And maybe that's the lesson for us.
It simply does what it was created to do. And maybe that's the lesson for us.
To care without reward. To protect without recognition. To care without reward. To protect without recognition. Because sometimes the smallest lives carry the greatest responsibility. If we save the bees, we save ourselves.